Nang girlfriend tu makonten na.
Ni girlfriend do bhai ni ke timung pita do signal pita do terom pita do hansi pita sonali ni ke yaar sar bura ke singulang uka yaar sar bura ke singulang uka single sabra
Mana? O sumara sabsa bata girlfriend tu ni pipasi abe derlo. Uma dorong fam si chow na kibar chok lo. Nili ke lang roy lang cengar no. Nang ni girlfriend tu ke nai ma mati chow lo ke nang po. O nili girlfriend tu nai chow tu nai yar no. Girlfriend nang pi sita me. Tara lang so pajibon long le.
The Golden Axe and Gia. Once upon a time, in the enchanting mountains surrounded by lush green forest, there lived a single man who resided alone in his humble abode. He had been unsuccessful searching for a life partner for quite some time. One sunny afternoon, as single man sat outside, contemplating life and yearning for a cup of tea.
Oh, heng tati rock ri po joy sita. Ay, siksak li po leho. Single lang po siksak. Pick girlfriend at silong dun tek tema. Ay, tema. Nang we. Sa chudang log pada tenga be. Oh, dam nang po. Ano? Ay.
He realized that he had run of firewood. He grabbed his trusty axe and set off into the nearby jungle in search of firewood. Every time he ventured out, mischievous village children would taunt him about his single status.
Hey, go Marley. Cholo kang tumadaga. Eh, rasu maru. Dario. What do you that? Eh, rasu maru ge.
yaar sar bura back to logo na ha oi ga no ala na singulang na gf da belang bu
Ning hang lo ko laga. Duri ho.
na ning hang ni pharo lum la chok singulang go
Nang girlfriend tu makonten na.
ni girlfriend do bhai ni ke timung pita do signal pita do terom pita do hansi pita sonali ni ke
Terus langsung mau apa nak pasik sakit. Dah mana?
kusra pichirino pachuna nang beham abi ke chong huldam bang lo bu
Nang ning je tabri ko de lai.
yaar sar bura ke singulang uka single sabra yaar sar bura ke singulang uka single sabra
Mana? Piposin ni girlfriend abe derlo. O sumara sabsa bata girlfriend tu ni pipasi abe derlo. Oh, thirak ong. Arnam thirak ong ni. Dah sabsa bata girlfriend tu kray lo. Tar langsung ke tuntung ki jui tu na girlfriend pe. Dah sabsa bata ni piposin ni girlfriend abe derlo. Arnam. Oh, girlfriend. Single tu derlo.
Hashtag single life. So sad. Deep within the woods, single man stumbled upon a magnificent tree, perfect for firewood.
Nasa cholo leo. Ay, jo.
He energetically swung his axe, but alas, his hands became sweaty, causing the tool to slip out of his grasp and fall into a nearby body of water.
Bisa cinegre lo. Oh, single chot kali aku chot anak pang bodong tula. Oh, ana.
Annoyed by this unfortunate incident, single man plopped down beside the water, pleading with God to return his lost axe. The water began to stir, and suddenly,
Madorong fam si chow na kibar chok lo. Mimik jangan tanti abe. Oh.
God emerged from the depths.
Oh, kopi aja tu lagi oh. La nang li chow kalima ho. Kumat lo nang li ke. Nili hai. Nili ke lang roy lang cengar no. Nili nang li phan. Isi abodo nang ipiji nang li phan. Isi abodo nang ipido. Nang li girlfriend tu ke nai ma. Mati chow lo ke nang po. Oh. Oh, bulat eh. Nili. Girlfriend malah. Ay, girlfriend mah chow lo lah ho. Oh, Nili girlfriend tu nai. Chow tu nai yar no. Isi bedi keloing. Ay, siksak lo leno pugyante ho. Girlfriend nang pi sita me. Tara langsung pajibon long le. Sita me ke bai FG dun long rab re. Mane nang li girlfriend ng people ni li girlfriend meta keba FD dunong le. Ay ana. Siksak tan bo buge. Girlfriend ki to ke tara lang so jui dunong le festival jui dunong le ko puno ana. Oh siksak ono le ho. Se rakon tipo mata se rakon tak so on lang ta ho. Girlfriend mah cuma ho.
Papramo tiko, papramo kedang popo kang tak. Oh, lang tak piko.
Thalang di anam thalang ho anam dabi tho thalang ho.
Oh, lang tak pen oh, ang bilo ko nang lo.
Among zon dili ma thalang ho. Thalang anam.
Nang chuta pajar una kedang lo.
God, growing increasingly irritable, abruptly dived back into the water.
Anam thalang ho. Oh. Bye. Single do pong nilo at chuta long le. Ois. Oh, anam. Single do lock si chico ma ho. Kewa ep ta juju long le lo bo girlfriend pen puta. Mang mun si human dun chot bo.
Single man had taken too long to decide. The greedy are never satisfied. Greed is a great curse. Be happy with what you have.